What's up everybody? I'm Andre and this is Edible Knowledge, helping you discover the what's what of food from around the world. Okay, today I'm super excited because we're talking about ube. Dioscorea alata. That's the Latin name for ube, but it also has a bunch of other names. Purple yam, greater yam, winged yam, and water yam, just to name a few. It is said to have been first cultivated in Southeast Asia and New Guinea. However, it can also be found throughout Africa, in such places as Angola, Malawi, and Mozambique. Ube yam is said to not only have a sweeter taste to its orange North American counterpart, the sweet potato, but said to also have a slightly nutty vanilla taste. Who knew? Ube is often confused for many other things. For example, the Japanese Okinawan sweet potato and the taro. The first obvious difference between the ube and the Japanese Okinawan sweet potato is that yes, they are both purple, but one is a sweet potato and one is a yam. But what's the difference between a sweet potato and a yam? Oh, I'm glad you asked. Okay, so just basically speaking, yam has more starch, and on the outside, it kind of looks like the bark of a tree. Generally speaking, sweet potatoes are sweeter and also contain more moisture. Now, where the taro is concerned, yes, on the outside they might look a little similar, but you'll see a much bigger difference on the inside. Where an ube has that deep royal purple color, the taro tends to be a pale white color with flecks of purple. Just in case you're wondering, the best time to harvest an ube is ready for harvest when its foliage is yellowing or drying up. And for most varieties of ube, that means late November to sometime in January the following year. Did you know? Because of its leaves, many people love to use it as a decorative plant. Though many varieties can be found in other parts of the world, nowhere is as famous for their desserts, dishes, and delicacies that they produce with the yam as the Philippines. They've got stews, soups, cakes, ice creams, drinks, and so much more. You can cook ube as is, bake it, steam it, fry it, or you can also use it in one of its other forms, like extract, powder, a jam, or paste. In just 100 grams of ube, you will find 140 calories, 1 gram of protein, 0.1 grams of fat, 4 grams of fiber, and 27 grams of carbs. Ube also contain potassium, calcium, iron, vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, and B9. They can help in blood circulation, digestion, and in lowering your blood pressure. And they also help in promoting good gut health. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new and interesting videos just like this one. All right, guys, I'm gonna go get some ube, and I'll see you in the next video right back here on Edible Fitness. Bye.